Hello students, welcome back to science class. In our previous class, we studied that plants are one of the sources of our food. We use different parts of plants as food. Plants not only provide food for us, they also provide oxygen which we use for breathing. By this, we can say plants are very important for our survival. So, now let us learn more about plants. Children, in this video, we are going through chapter 7, Getting to Know Plants. Children, in our surrounding, we can see many plants, right? Yes. Are they look similar? No. Some plants are very tall. Some are medium-sized. Some plants are very small and they just look like green patches on the soil. And some plants creeps on the ground and some climb up with the help of some structure. Some have green leaves and some plants have brown or yellow leaves and some plants have yellow flowers and some have red flowers, some have orange flowers and many other colors, and some have huge flowers and some have tiny flowers, and some plants do not have flower itself. Children, even though plants in our surrounding look different, they have similar parts, but the shape and size of their parts differ from each other. On the basis of this, plants are classified into different types. Children, before studying the classification of plants, let us learn about the parts of a plant. A plant has different parts and each part performs different function. The two main parts of a plant are root and shoot. This is the root of a plant. Root usually grows under the ground, while shoot usually grows above the ground. So this part is the shoot of a plant. The shoot has different parts. They are stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and stem as lateral branches. I will explain the functions of these parts later in this lesson. Now, let us discuss about classification of plants. We can see variety of plants in our surrounding. These plants are classified into 3 categories on the basis of size and thickness of their stem. They are herbs, shrubs, and trees. Now let us see what are herbs. Short plants with green and tender stem are called herbs. Herbs may not have many branches. Example for herbs are wheat, paddy, carrot, mustard, tomato, sunflower, spinach plant, etc. Now let us see what are shrubs. Some plants are medium-sized and have hard stem but not very thick, and their branches arises near the base of the stem. Such plants are called shrubs. So we can say medium-sized plants with hard and bushy stem are called shrubs. Example for shrubs are hibiscus, lemon, bougainvillea, pomegranate, rose, etc. Now, trees. Some plants are very tall and have hard and thick stem. The stem have branches in the upper part much above the ground. Such plants are called trees. So we can say big and tall plants with hard and thick stem are called trees. Examples for tree are mango, neem, banyan, teak, coconut, etc. Some plants have weak stem. They are different from herbs, shrubs and trees. The plants with weak stem are of two types. They are creepers and climbers. Creepers. Plants with weak stem that cannot stand upright but spread or creep on the ground are called creepers. Example for creepers are watermelon, ash gourd, pumpkin, muskmelon, etc. Climbers. Plants with weak stem that cannot stand upright but take the support of some structures and climb up are called climbers. Example for climbers are bittergourd, grapevine, money plant, cucumber, beans, peas, etc. So children, this is the classification of plants on the basis of the size and thickness. Children, you know about different parts of a plant. Now, let us study more about these parts. First, let us study about stem. What does stem do for a plant? Stem holds the plant upright. It helps the plant to stand straight. It bears leaves, flowers and fruits. Stem transports food from leaves to different parts of the plant. Children, inside the stem there is a special tube-like structure called phloem. This phloem helps to transport food from the leaves to different part of the plant. Stem also helps to transport water and minerals from the root to different parts of the plant. Children, inside the stem there is another special tube-like structure called xylem. This xylem helps the stem to transport water and minerals from the root to different part of the plant. Children, here we have an experiment to prove stem conducts water and minerals to different parts of the plant. To do this experiment, we need a glass beaker, water, ink and a herb. Okay children, now take a glass beaker and fill it with 1/3 of water and add few drops of blue or red ink to the water. Now cut the base of the stem of a herb and put it in this water. Observe this setup after few hours. After few hours, we can observe the color appearing in the stem. If we keep this herb in the ink water for longer time, The ink water rises in the stem and reaches other parts of the plant. It also reaches leaves, flowers, and the colors of these parts will also change. From this experiment, we can say that stem helps in upward movement of water and minerals. See children, here we have a white rose. Dip it in blue ink. After some time, color of the rose changes to blue. This proves stem transports water. From this experiment, we can say that stem helps in upward movement of water and minerals. Okay children, this is about stem. In the next video, I will explain about leaf, root and flower. Thank you.